Hi, hello everyone, welcome to the channel. On this video I'm going to show you guys how to fix microphone, the mic not working on Discord mobile. So I'm using Android. If you are using iPhone, it's supposed to be similar method. So first of all, you have to make sure that the Discord has an access into your microphone by pressing and hold Discord and then click the app info down below, and then find the app permission. See, make sure this microphone is allowed. If it's not, you put the microphone maybe around here. You can click this one, that one, and then put it to the allowed permission of Discord. So once again, make sure the microphone on the allowed permission. And then the second thing you have to do, you make sure the Discord has the auto start, which is wait a minute. The auto start, you go to settings and then search for the settings. You just type in auto start and it will redirect you to something like this background auto start, and then find the Discord. You just turn on the Discord auto start, which will be prevent the Discord on crashing, so the application will keep in a good way to use the microphone. And then the last thing you have to do after you finish set up the on the system, and then the last thing, you open the Discord. Now we have to set up configuration on inside the Discord. You find your profile on down below, click your profile, and then click setting on the upper there, and then scroll down here. You can see the voice. You click the voice, make sure you auto sensitivity here, and then make sure you turn on all the volume, like all the output, and then whoops, the voice. Make sure you scroll to the right, to the very right of this volume to make it your sound louder, and then make sure you turn on any of this, just like my setting like here. So that's it guys, how to fix mic not working on Discord mobile. I hope it's helpful for you. If it does, please subscribe our channel. Thank you, bye bye, see you on the next video.